Yeah.
Could you all get a picture of us?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
I got the camera up and there.
Yo, Nick.
4:30?
Wait. Yeah, 4:30 it closes. It closes in like literally like 10 minutes. It's good that we came here.
Pick it up. To the palace, baby. See this place.
No, let's go over. We can actually go inside. I think we have to pay for tours. Someone told us that.
Farm here, and our spiritual master would come and visit. There was no place for him to stay, so we were building this little house here. But as we're building the idea, guys, hop on. Well, yeah, the lady painted me out. Just throw the shoe covers on over there. We have a huge rose garden on the other side here. Monks, there's no blueprints to the palace. Devotees were created. Oh, we're the spirit within. And he says our spirit is going through all these changes, baby's body, young person, middle. Hey, Monica, you can just stay here for a little while.